Hi guys, so this is Daniel from Danny D Affiliate and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about this platform called Hawkit. You can see about 555,000 naira from this platform, and I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up, how I make money from this platform, and how you can make more. Now, actually, I've made about 500 and something thousand naira before, plus this one now would have been a total of 1.1 to about 1.2 million naira from Hawkit. Yes, that's the amount I would have made from this platform. And this platform is so legit because I think it has been out since 2019. I think 2019, 2018. This platform has been a very long time, and a lot of people actually don't know about it. Actually, it was the one I made a video about it and I brought it to TikTok. Now it's like the talk of TikTok. I was the one that brought the video, that brought this platform to TikTok, explaining. And after training a lot of people, some people have watched my video, they created it, make the money with it, and now they have forgotten I was one that brought it to TikTok. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with Hawkit. So all you need to do is to follow me step by step. And there are two ways to, there are two approaches to this. There are two approaches to this. You can actually do this yourself and make some amount of money based on how smart you are. Or you could enroll for my class and I can teach you how to make bigger amount. Yes, there are two approaches to it. You can actually do it yourself and make money, or you can enroll for my class. But don't worry, I'll talk about that at the end. All you need to do is to watch it right now. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I drop down another video of how to make money online, you will not miss out on it. So let's go. Now, first of all, you want to type in hawkit.ng. Now, this app, it has an app, and the app is only available for Google Play Store and Google Play Store. The one for Apple Store, which is for iPhone users, is not out. So for iPhone users, you need to use the site hawkit.ng. You have to use the site on your browser. But if you're an Android user, you can download the app. The app works fine on Android. But for now, the app is not working on App Store. They are still building it, okay? So all you need to do, first of all, is to type in hawkit.ng or download the app. Then click on create an account. All right? Now, when you click on create an account, it asks you for your full name. It asks you for your referral username and everything like that. So want to create a new account. So I'm going to put Joseph Damilola Daniel. All right. Daniel. All right. So now for the referral username, you have to put my own referral username so that you can get, they actually give between 500, 1,000 and 2,000 bonuses. So it depends. And not only that, there is actually a bonus that allows you to post advert for free, which means allows you to post your stuff and sell things for free for one good month. So you get that bonus when you use my referral code. So just type in Danny D affiliate. Type exactly Danny D affiliate. When you type this correctly, then you click on sign up. Then wait for it to load up. All right. So now it's gonna ask for your username. So put any username you want. So I'm gonna do Danny. I'm gonna put the master data word. That's the one I want to use. Then the email, I have the master data award at gmail.com. So you put your email, the email you want to use, put in your username. Make sure the username is a username that somebody have not used before. If it brings you an error that the username has been used before, just use another one or mix it with numbers. Okay, or you mix it with numbers. But make sure you use a username that you remember. Okay. So I've written my own at the master data award. Then for my password, I'm going to create a password right now. All right. So I just added the password. I'm going to click on create account. So you wait for it to load up. So now they're going to send you a code to your email. You can see it right here. You can read, verify your email address. So we're going to look for that code right here. So let me go to you can see it right here. This is the code. So this is the code that was sent to us. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to bring this back. So I'll paste the code right here and click on continue. Now it says welcome to Hawkit. Select your gender. I'm a male. Select your state. Edo State, local government, Esako, from Esako. No, I'm from Esan West, but I live in Esako West right now. Esako West. I click on set location. I'm almost done. I should put a picture of mine. So let me look for a picture. All right, so I've seen this very good picture. I press apply. and click here to proceed. It's gonna load up. Now it asks me for day, month, June, year, 96, religion, Christianity. Just fill up all these details. They are normal stuff. Click on continue. And when you click on continue, this is what you will get. Now, because this platform helps you make money, practically you need to activate your membership for 1,000 naira. You need to activate so that you can get this kind of message. So when you are activated, you are going to get this message. Congratulations, you are now a member. This is the message you'll get, right? So we want to get this kind of message. So what you need to do now is to bring this back. Now you need to activate it with 1,000 naira. Just follow me steadily. Click on become a member. And then you see where it says 1,000 naira membership fee. Click here to pay now. Then at the top right here where it says 100% secure online payment, click on it. Then when you click on it, you have to wait. Sometimes you have to bear with them because there is a lot of people coming here, a lot of traffic, so you have to bear with the traffic if it is slow. Then now you can now pay with your card. I actually use my card, and I will tell you it is secure because this is Paystack. This is a Paystack option of making payment, and it's one of the most secure ways of making payment in Nigeria and all over Africa. So I prefer you can pay with your card for easy going, or you can use bank transfer. And when you click on bank transfer right here, by changing it, if you are using a mobile phone, you are going to see where it says change payment method under the payment stuff right here. Under you see change payment method. When you click on it, you can change it to any method you want: card, USD, bank transfer, Paga. Then just make your transfer to this account. Then once you have made your transfer, click on I have made this bank transfer. All right. Well, I'll prefer card. Okay. Put your card user in the serial number here, the date and the CVV. Then pay 1,000 naira. Once that is paid, then you should get a new account created. All right. So now you see right here, this is another account I have. This one is Danidi affiliated. You can see it ends with an X. While my main account ends with an S. Are you seeing that? Actually, two different accounts. Actually, I have 2 or 3 accounts now. So let's come up with this. So now, when you're activated, you now receive this message that you have become. You see 00 naira right here. Yeah, it's 00 naira. So it will not tell you this message. Congratulations, you are now a member. So the 1,000 naira you paid has been used to convert your account into a verified account. Okay. So now you can start doing simple tasks, or you can do referrals. But let me show you exactly how you can start making money. The first thing you want to do is to click on Earn at the top right here. Then you see where it says perform social tasks and earn daily. Click on get started. Now this is where a lot of people get issues with. You see here it's post advert. Here is engagement task. Post advert, engagement task, post advert. Now when you click on post advert, you can get 100 naira per post, which means every time you make a post about Hawkit or the post they are going to give to you, you will have to have about 1,000 followers on any of the platform before you can make a huge amount of money. Before you can make all this 100 naira. Now that's not where it ends. You see with this green stuff here, tells you how many tasks you can do. You see here it says 1 task, right? So which means there's only how many? Which means there's only 1 task you can do, which means only 1 person can do it, and that's all. That's a post advert. Just 1 single task is there, which means there's only 100 naira there. So there's no other task again for anyone. So you can't do anyone. But if you do the post advert, you must have nothing less than 1,000 followers, which practically I believe a lot of you don't have. So instead of that, I will actually ask you to go for perform engagement task. Now there are other features of using this platform, which I will talk about. Now you can also follow people and pages, which is this one, which is the most popular one. And here we have about 26 tasks here, 18 tasks here, and some other tasks here. So this is the one a lot of people have to do. But the money you make from this is not too much. They are quite small. But anyways, let's still do it. Just click on select for this one. When you click on select, it will bring you down here. Click on generate your next task. Then once you click that, it will ask you yes or no. Click yes. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on do now. Then you follow this step. It says step 1, open the task link above, which is this link. Step 2, the link will direct you to a social media profile which you are meant to follow. Click on the follow button on the social media profile. You must not unfollow the account. Then create a screenshot of that page. So let's do this right now. The first thing you want to do is to click on visit link. A new browser will open. A new stuff will open. Let me quickly log in. So now I just logged into my account. So when I clicked this link right here, it brought me down here. All you have to do now is to click on follow, right? Once you click on follow, I need to screenshot this, right? I need to screenshot this. So I'll just press this, and I have screenshotted it. Okay, I just screenshot it. So you can do that with your mobile phone or with your laptop. If you don't have to do it with your laptop, then you can just go to your Windows or just tap Windows print screen. Look for it on your keyboard. Windows print screen. Look for it on your keyboard. Okay. So now I have followed the account, right? So now we'll go back to Hawkit, right? Now I'm gonna come down here, then click on upload screenshot. Then I'm gonna look for that screenshot right here. I think it's this one, right? This is the screenshot there. So that's the screenshot right here. So I come down here to the social media proof username. Social media proof username. Look for your user. What's your username that you use to follow the account? My one is Danny D Affiliate. So I'm gonna type it right here. Danny D Affiliates. All right, done. Then I click on upload proof. Done. Now you see that your task is being verified. So you actually have to wait for about the next 5 days to get to be verified to see if you have actually done the task. Okay, you actually have to wait. You can see the timer, 4 days plus, to see if you have actually done the task and get paid. Right, so it takes time. That's one way to make money. Another way to make money now, you can do that task multiple times. Another way to make money now is to resell products and earn big commissions. You click on get started. This allows you to resell stuff. Like you see, this shoe now is 13,000 naira. If you sell this shoe now, you are going to get 1,300. So that one is now left for you to do that. You can actually just click on resell this product. Then you click on generate a reseller link. You get this link. Then you have to advertise the product. Need to advertise the product. So you can take the screenshot. You can click on it to give you a lot of screenshots which you can save. Then you can post it on your WhatsApp status, post it on on anything, post it on your TikTok, post anywhere you want to post it. Then once you've posted it, anybody wants to buy it, you check the details where this stuff is. Or I can get more details about it. Get more details about it. You can just, once you've gotten your details, send the person the link. We just copy it right now. Once you send the person the link and the person make payment, you will get your money, 1,300. You can see this bag, 35,000, 35,000, 35,009. You can see there are a lot of products you can resell right here. You can resell a lot of female products, male products, and so on. You can see competing right here. And I think they are still working on this page right now. So there are no other posts right now. So that's another way to make money. Now the other third way to make money is by referring. Okay, that is when you refer people. Now, but before we talk about that, there's another thing you can do with this platform. You should click on advertise right here. Now you can, if you have a product or you have, maybe you sell perfume, you sell clothes, and you like to promote it using Hawkit, you can do that right here by clicking on advertise and advertise on Hawkit Market. Click get started right here. Now you can sell anything. Now if you created an account with my referral username and the affiliates ending with an S, you would have gotten this free advert of 1,000 naira, which allows you to promote stuff for free for 1,000 for 1 month straight. So just click on continue right here. Then pick a location, enter your full address, set your location. Once you set your location, then you upload whatever you want to sell. Upload the product, upload everything, and you are done with that. You are done with that. All right, you are done with uploading a product. That's one way. So the other thing again you can do is to advertise on social media platform, which means if you have less number of followers and you want people to follow you, or you want people to promote whatever you are selling for you, you can do that with advert task or engagement task, which means you're going to get real people to follow you. So if you want people to follow you now on social media, just press this one. Select the platform you want them to follow you: TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. Let's say I want people to follow me on Twitter. How many followers do I need? I need 1,000 followers. Then which gender? All gender. I want all gender to follow me. Location, I leave it like that, or I put all Nigeria. Or only people in particular location to follow you. Select your religions, the religion of people you want them to follow you. No. I don't want that. Then you go to your TikTok, copy your TikTok username. That is your TikTok link. Let me find it for you. I'm going to look for that right here. So I'm going to look for the TikTok name right here. So let's just wait for this to load up. And you go to your profile, view profile. Go to your profile, go to your edit profile, look at it at the top. This is your profile link at the top. You copy this. Once you've copied this, then you go back and you paste it right here. Then click on submit and make payment. All right. You are going to make 5,000 naira payment and you're going to get 1,000 real people who will follow you. That's it. So if you go to the market section, there are other markets there, other things we just talked about. So practically that's all about Hawkit. That's how you do Hawkit. So you can refer people. If you go to your profile right here, you see your affiliate link. You go to your, come down here, you can just copy the link on your bio, referral link, and refer people. You just simply refer people and you make big money. But you can practically do that in two ways. You can actually do that yourself, or you can join my group, join my class. All you need to do is to message me directly. I have an hack, a method that allows me to make big money with this. You do it yourself, it will take you time to make money. I'm not saying you make money, but you take your time. But if you join my class, join my community where I train people, I'm going to send you a video that will explain it to you, everything in details. Then you can see that in 1 month, you're already making about 200, 300, about 500, about $1 million naira using Hawkit. But you'll have to sign off my platform. So it's up to you to decide now. You can go and do what I just taught right now, or just come to me, DM me and tell me. My number is going to be below the description. Tell me that you want to join my class. You want to join my main class. It's 37,500 to join my class. And I'm going to teach you how to make big amount of money, but not only with Hawkit, but with other platforms too. Yes, guaranteed. So message me directly and we'll get started. I hope you loved this content. Please make sure you follow me for more, okay? Follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel.